What's up, everyone? I've got a cool gadget I want to share. This POFAN wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. It's designed to beam your laptop, phone, or game console screen to your TV or projector wirelessly, and it claims to support up to 4K resolution. Let's see how it holds up. Right out of the box, it's pretty simple. You get the transmitter, the receiver, and some power cables. No complicated setup, which is a huge plus. They're pushing the plug-and-play aspect, and so far it seems to live up to that. Just plug the transmitter into your HDMI source and the receiver into your display's HDMI port. Power them both up, and they should pair automatically. No drivers, no apps, no fuss. I tested it with my laptop first, streaming some 4K nature videos. The picture quality is surprisingly good. I was expecting some lag or compression artifacts, but honestly, it's pretty smooth. Definitely good enough for presentations, movies, or even casual gaming. They mention a built-in chip to prevent lag, and I think it's actually working. Next, I tried it with my PS4. Again, pretty impressed. The gameplay was responsive, and I didn't notice any significant input lag. Of course, for serious competitive gaming, a wired connection is always best, but for casual play, this is a fantastic alternative. One of the biggest selling points is the 165 feet 50m range. Now, I couldn't test the full 50 meters, but I did try it across different rooms in my house, and it held up well. They do mention that thick walls, especially concrete, can affect the signal, so keep that in mind. They say it could drop to as low as 3 to 5 meters with thick walls, which makes sense. Still, for most uses, the range should be more than enough. The compatibility is also great. It works seamlessly with my laptop, PS4, and even my phone. They list a whole bunch of other devices it's compatible with, like Blu-ray players, cameras, and even set-top boxes. Basically, anything with an HDMI output should work. Now, there's one important thing to note: power. The instructions specifically say to use a charger with at least 5V1A for both the transmitter and receiver. They explain that using a lower power source, especially when your laptop battery is low, can cause interruptions or lag. So, don't forget to plug them in. Overall, I'm really impressed with this POFAN wireless HDMI kit. It's easy to use, the picture quality is great, and the range is impressive. It's perfect for presentations, streaming movies, casual gaming, or even just mirroring your phone screen to a bigger display. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to go wireless with your HDMI, definitely check this one out. It's a solid piece of kit, and I think it's worth the price. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.